Hi guys, welcome to the module 2. In this module, it's a very important module. We're going to support the growth companies. So what we're going to look at this video, headcount growth filter, funding filters, news filters, department specific growth targeting. All right, if I don't remember, I'll come back to this video or to the slide for the reference purpose, but let's start with the headcount growth filters and the funding filter. As I said, same again. You can start with the company or start with the people, but I'm going to start with the people. So come over then the people, and you start with the. We start with the funding, for example. We want any funding, as you can see, funding from seed until private equity, like all sort of fundings are there. For example, we're just going to select the seed funding. Then we're going to well, see, each of these filter you can use separately, or you can merge it with the other filters. This is very important. This stand alone can be a signal for you to reach out to your potential clients, or otherwise, if you want to enrich it even further, you can do so. So how we're going to do it? Okay, we choose the funding from here, and then what we have headcount growth. Okay, from the headcount growth, you come for the more filters. So we're looking for the company's headcount growth. For example, I don't know how many percent, 10%, 20%, whatever you want in the past 6 months, for example. Okay, so this is I'm going to apply filters. All right, so then we have what we have here. Then we have the news filter as well, the department specific growth as well. Okay, let's combine all of them together. So if you come here and click on more filters, we need the more filters. For example, if you come over here, the news, this is very important. I would say the module in the entire video series. Okay, what news exactly you want? Anything you want, you can select it from here. Say, for example, I am going to select, for example, an expansion, for example, or I am going to select investment, for example. Then it just thinks the news that got within how many days is the last 7 days, or you can change any number you want. All right, so I just do 7 days and then I apply. Or you can say, for example, last 30 days and apply. When you do so and then apply filters, then what we have department specific group. If this is something also you are interested, you want to know anything about the specific department, for example, more filters, you can. It totally depends on exactly what is the target criteria you want to choose. For example, if you can employees by department, see, as I can see, yes, the headcount already we choose on an employees by department. If you want to do so, you can whatever the department you want to include, you can just do it from here. You get the idea, right? Now let's wrap it up. Now we need to select the apply filters. We need to now go to the email status, only verified, no catch-all, not at all. And then we're going to choose the title, of course. So you need to reach out to these companies, right? But now we are not reaching out to those HR manager or the talent acquisition head, because now our targeting has changed basically. So now who you want to reach out? You probably want to reach out to CEO, founder. I'll not prolong the video too long. So you get the idea, right? CEO, founder, CEO and founder, director, managing director, the sales department, the sales director, whoever you want. And then we're going to choose the company. We don't need to choose the company, but of course, if we have a list of companies, we can do so. Again, here is the location again. Again, for the demo purpose, I'm going to put like United Kingdom, say for example. The true data only in United Kingdom, but of course, because we narrow it down so much, so for the simplicity purpose, we can put it, as I said before, because each of them itself has a signal actually. So United States, we found the seven. Then now, if you want to choose the industry, you can choose the industry as well. But be mindful of narrowing down the data, because we are selecting too many signals. I mean, we just niching it down. I mean, it's not easy to get access to like all this valuable information like within the like many companies. So definitely like it's narrowing down the data now. So let's see like if we choose the information technology and services, how many data left there? Four, for example. So this is for a demo purpose, right? You get the idea. So then what else? I think we covered pretty much everything. So we literally applied the 12 different filters, like high value filters. All right, once you do it, what you're going to do is again select all of them. The same practice as I have shown in like my previous video. Max per company, select all, select four, apply. Once you do so, actually we have the three contacts. So if you remember in the earlier video what I said, you just save this. Once you save this, whatever the name you give, then I'll show you exactly where this data is going, by the way. Okay. Once you save this, you can get the access to their email and the mobile number. And also when you, for example, save as a new search, I can save it because it will not cost me money. For example, I can save it as what filter we did here. I think we can growth companies, for example. Okay, you can give any name you want. I'm giving the growth companies, and I'm create a search. I'll show you exactly why I have done it, because these are the same things I said. The module 6 I'm implementing on each of them. So now, as you can see, the growth company search is coming here, and you go to the three dot over there, the subscription. So anything that we have, any filter that we have applied, if any changes come in between, it is going to notify us via email actually. So daily, weekly, monthly, whatever you want. Okay, this is where the list is going. If you come over there, the list, you'll see the list that I have saved the previous one, because I have to save only one. For example, this is the one. IT company is hiring today. This is the list, 5 records. So, and if the company is saving, it is coming over there. All right. So this is how you can find the growth companies before your competitors.